Okay, the selected disk has an MBR partition table. Windows can only be installed to GPT disk. So now we need to convert this from MBR to GPT. Right, so press Shift F10 and then type this part. Okay, and then list disk. Okay, so next is select space disk space 0. All right, so the disk has been selected. So let's type clean, enter. Okay, this part successfully clean. Next we type convert space GPT, enter. All right, it has successfully changed to GPT format. So exit. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video.